This is POCO F5, and in this video I will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, open any search engine that you prefer or that you use on a regular. In my case, I'll go with Google, so I recommend you do, but if you use any alternative search engines, that is fine as long as you follow my lead over here. So then type in the Fortnite APK query in the search bar. Amongst the search results your search engine provides you with, look for epicgames.com website or Fortnite.com official website will do just fine. Anyway, just as long as you go for the official Epic Games or Fortnite websites, you are golden. So go for the web page, then confirm that you would like to download the file and wait for it to be downloaded. Then open it, grant Google Chrome or any other browser that you use to install unknown apps permission, and then install the Epic Games Store. After that, open the, Epic Games app, then open the Fortnite page, and tap at the install button over there. So as you can see, prior to the Fortnite game being installed, the system asks that we grant Epic Games Store with the same permission I did for the Google Chrome, that is to install unknown apps, so the Fortnite can be not only downloaded but actually be installed as well. So we will do exactly that, then finalize the Fortnite installation, which should not take more than 5 seconds or so, and then just launch the Fortnite game and let it download all remaining updates and resources, which might take a hot minute or two since the update size is about 6 gigabytes if I'm not mistaken. So let's wait for the Fortnite game to be connected to internet, and yep, here it is, 6.15 gigabytes is the file size. So after all these updates will be successfully downloaded, you will be finally able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.